What's up, everyone? Welcome back with another episode. On today's episode, we're gonna build a couch. So I did some measurements and I kind of draw with the painting tape, and I draw as well a 3D hand drawing, and this part is gonna fold out. It's gonna be pull-out couch. Hopefully everything works good, but you already know me. Look at this nice saw from one of the colleagues' friends. Got it for 60 bucks. Really excited to use it. And I did some first measurements. I'm gonna start cutting. So we have first cuts cut it, and it looks pretty straight to me. So now we're gonna put them together with the screws. Before screwing these pieces together, I'm using Gorilla Wood Glue to make it extra sturdy.
Wow, this is my view. It's pretty nice. Roberts is building a couch for us and dog crate. Should I say dog crate or should we do doggy as a surprise?
Oh, you already said it.
Oh, well, fuck, we're getting a dog. Worst YouTubers ever.
And we have first base for the couch. That was pretty fast. Unusual.
That's very unusual. It takes you a very long time to do something like this.
I cut out all other pieces for the couch. More to say, this corner. So we're gonna put them all together. And it is raining outside, so I'm gonna hurry up. It's another morning and we're gonna continue with the slots. 12 degrees outside, sun is shining, the trees are getting greener every single day. Little flowers getting out of the ground. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. The next thing what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually put one more support beam here from inside, so when I'm gonna install the slots, there's extra support for the slots. I installed the same beam on this side too. My idea is, so these two gonna be attached to the pull-out bar, and this one is gonna attach to the couch base. So when you pull it out, these things will pull out. Rest you will see how everything else works. This little panel is gonna be temporarily attached to here. I need to sand these parts, especially the corners and these sharp edges, so when it slides back in, it's kind of slides in nicely. The same for these places, and these places. So we're gonna sand it all down, and then we're gonna put the hinges on, and then I'm gonna show you the result, how it all makes it better. have this old plywood from these walls originally when I bought the box truck. This plywood was on those walls. I never really wanted to use this plywood, but all the stores are closed and is locked down, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna cut out a piece and put it from inside, so it's gonna make like a wall for the couch. And install the hinges, and it's gonna be beautiful. Everything is assembled and everything should work just fine. That's unusual. First thing I'm gonna explain here is here's gonna be dog bed and dog area, rest area where she can chill and everything is nice. And even if you need to now clean it out, everything and like that, then you can just open it and get in there and clean it and change what you need to change there. Or who knows, maybe dog doesn't like there and we can use it as a storage place.
We'll have to see what she likes.
Then you can close it, and then when you just chill and watching movies and stuff and you want to just put your feet out and enjoy the movie, then you just can pull it out and enjoy the movie. Your feet are out, put a blanket on and be very nice and cozy. And if we have visitors, then they have a little bed where to stay too. It nicely slides back in. And this is another storage compartment. And here is going to be all electric system. So I need to take everything down there and redo it. And anyways, I need to redo it. Yeah, so ta-da! What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
Let me see. So from this side, it's pretty cool.
Yep.
And even I'm 6'3", and we have a fight with Ashley, and she said go sleep on the couch. Then I can easily sleep here.
Yeah. You sleep in the fetal position anyways.
Right?
Yeah. So you sleep on your side.
I think it's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the video and this video helps you to build your own couch. I think it's very simple and very easy, and it's very cheap material. All this material was $105 with the wood and the hinges.
Would be cheaper if the lumber didn't skyrocket.
Yeah, but yeah, if you guys like this couch, leave some thumbs up. It's gonna help our channel, and see you on the next one.
See you in the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.